Okay, what's up, guys? I get on the COVID test.
A COVID test, so you can go back to school?
Yep.
Guys,
Okay.
here's a scientific thing. Look. But let's.
The first thing we're gonna do is remove the test card pouch and lay flat on the table. Make sure the blue control strip, which is right here, is present. And we do see the blue control strip. And then there's two holes, a top and a bottom. So this goes right there. Then what we do, and this has to lay flat so you can bend it back, they said, to make sure it lays flat. Okay? Then you take the dropper, this has the reagent. You're going to open it, and then you hold it straight above and drop 6 drops into the top hole. So, 1, 2, 3,
Oh my God! What
4, 5, 6. Okay. Swab.
Go again.
So we're gonna open the swab, and I have to do, Henry, ready for it? I have to do 5 circles around each nostril, and for each nostril we have to go for 15 seconds. So you're gonna hit that start
As soon as that
I put
enters.
that up.
Yes.
Ready? Watch out, it's gotta go in 3/4 of a way.
Ready?
Yep,
already
it's
said-
going. He said it. Oh, does it tickle? I'm so sorry. 5 times I gotta do. Oh, then I gotta stick it up the other one. I'm so sorry. 4 more seconds. Oh, okay, next nostril. Ready? Do it again. I'm sorry. 5 more seconds.
3, 2, 1. Good job,
All
right.
Henry. Now, oh, I'm so sorry.
Bless you, Henry.
Swab both
Oh,
nostrils.
bless you, Henry.
Now I insert it into the bottom. Oh, so sorry.
Can you tell everyone it's gonna be okay?
It's visible in the top hole, and now I have to rub it in 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Do not skip that step. Then you remove the adhesive. It's gonna be negative, I know.
And now my turn.
And then we do this.
My
We
turn.
close it.
Close it, and now press firmly to seal. 15 minutes now, not 15 seconds, 15 control minutes. Blue band should turn to pink during this 15 minutes. That's probably what's happening, okay? So if the control band stays
Disappears.
blue,
It needs to just disappear.
no, it
pretty
needs
much,
to
yeah.
turn pink. If the control band stays blue, that means it didn't work, so it's inconclusive.
What happens
Now-
if it's positive?
So if it's positive, then we should see, in addition to the control band being pink, we should also see a second band
Come up.
come up that's pink. And even if it's faint, that means it detected it. If there's no pink, then we're good to go.
So right now it is changing pink, the first one.
Yep. So we just
And
gotta
we don't
wait the
see
15
anything
minutes.
yet.
What's the
Yep,
timer
we
say, Sheila?
Wait, do I have to?
Timer's on 12 minutes still. So 3 minutes in,
Wait, do I have to?
and we have a
3
pink.
minutes in. All right, and the control is looking good. 5 swabs in each one. Ready?
Stay at home,
It's gonna
kids.
tickle.
Don't get corona.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
Now the other side.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
9, 10, 11, 12,
13,
14, 15.
15.
Okay, and then we slide it under and push it through, and then we got to do 3 turns at least.
Use your elbow.
All right. Take off the adhesive
I want taco.
and close it up.
Nice.
And now we wait
Let's just
15
hope
minutes.
it's